connecting with the breath, feeling the sensations in your body, allowing your mind to go silent, to hear what your heart has to say. Observe your mind and allow your heart to speak through you. Going deeper and deeper into your own heart, allowing yourself to feel your heart, remembering who you really are when you step into your heart. Connecting with the body, allow yourself to feel your body, bringing your arms and hands forward. Start connecting with your hands, making some circles with your arms and your hands, dancing with flow. Feel your body flowing freely. Can you feel the space between your hands? Can you feel the space within you? Softening the body, softening the mind, softening the heart. Breathing deep into your tummy. Breathing deep but gentle. Connecting with your heart. Breathing in love, acceptance, forgiveness, gratitude. And on the exhale, we let go of everything and anything that is not serving us anymore. Trusting on this process, trusting on yourself, surrendering to your own breath. Connecting with the breath. Deep inhales, softening, gentle, letting go, letting go. Connecting with your heart, accepting any emotions and letting them come to you.
Jai Shri Ram.